Hey class, this is Mr. Coursey. Today's lesson, we are going to create a portfolio website in Google Sites. There are several ways to do that. If you go to Google Classroom and go under Objective 1, hopefully at this time you've watched every bit of my overview video explaining what this assignment's about in great detail. It's about 9.5 minutes, but watch that video first before you watch this one. In this Objective 1, we are going to create the site and just the shell of the pages. No content, just the shell, except the home page will have content. So to get started, all you got to do is go to this site, sites.google.com/new. I also have it linked right here. The reason why you want to go to the /new site is because it has the new process for creating sites. There's also a classic that's the old way, which if you go here and go to sites, it takes you right here. But to get to the new one, you click New Google Sites and it takes you right there. So if you watched the overview video already, you have seen and had me walk you through each one of these pages. I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. To get started, I recommend from Google Classroom, you click on this link right here and it takes you to my instruction page. We're going to go under Objective 1 and we're going to complete these 4 bullets here. From the Google Sites page, which is right here. See, I already have 2 sites here. And I'm going to create a new one. Click that little plus there. And it says, name your site, first name, last name, portfolio. I'm going to call this Donnie Coursey Portfolio. If John Smith was doing this, he'd call it John Smith Portfolio. And now, site name's right there. Now there's different types of headers. You got cover, large banner, banner, title only. I like the banner. I'm going to call this Home. Now, the only complaint I have with Google Sites is you're very limited on how it looks and font colors, font types, layout and such. You can change the header image by uploading an image that you design or select an image that you have in Google Classroom or whatever. I'm just going to choose this, click select, and there you go. They have different themes. You got Aristotle. You can choose some basic colors. Diplomat, Vision, Level, and Impression. I think I'm going to leave it with Impression. The next thing is you can choose however you want to put the layout on your page. You can just drag them on in there. You can have more than one. If you don't like one, you can delete it. If you can click it here at upload an image, PDF, YouTube video, calendar, map. If you don't want to do that, you can leave it blank. And then you could just click text box and you can drag that text box up. There you go, right there. And if you want, on your home page, you could even make little side links like Mr. Coursey's website. And to make a link, I'll just go right here, copy that URL, highlight the text, click insert link, paste the URL there. The text will have the words and then the link will have the link. And then you click apply. and then that's a clickable link. And you could add several links right there. Move this wider. You don't even have to have this. Basically, you can add several things by just clicking any of these, and then you can put it around anywhere you want. So I'm going to say, welcome to my home page. This site is a portfolio of work done in my endorsement classes. And then you might write a paragraph about yourself, maybe add a picture of yourself or a picture of something related to your career field. That would be your home page. We got the home page, it's under pages. Now you can either create new page, and the next page is called bio, so we'll call it biography. Click done. And then you can insert whatever layout you want for that. Change colors, rearrange. You have a few options, not many. You can duplicate sections, you can delete it, you can add an image, and so on. Let's create the next page. And this page is contact. Click done, and then you got contact. Click next page. Oh, just so you know, you can also just put a link to another page that's not on your website. But like if you wanted to link to this page here for the portfolio assignment, you just click here. And that would go there. You can rearrange them however you want. This is untitled page. Here, let's delete that. All right, so you got home, contact, bio. Let's call this resources. I know it says links, but I want it to be called resources. New one, portfolio. Next, resume. Next, career research. Next, daily blog. Okay, so we have our pages. You can even make some pages a subpage. Add subpage, and you can add a new subpage, and it'll link directly from that page. Or I can drag that there and then delete that. Also, when adding content, if you want to go into Word or Google Docs, type it up, make the links there, and then you select and copy it over, like this right here. Like I got an email address, I got a web address, I got my name. Now notice, it won't copy the color, but if I paste, it puts the link. Next thing, if you want to make a email address link, so it automatically does it. So that's good. We did this, chose the theme and layout, created the pages, we added content to the home page. Now the last step is to go to Google Classroom under Website Portfolio Objective 1 and add a link to the home page. But first, let me show you how to publish your pages so they're viewable to everybody outside. You need to go to Publish, And this is going to be the URL. Anyone in Mosquito ISD can view this, but I want to make it for anybody can view this. So click change, anyone, click save, click done, and then I'm going to click publish. Click on this drop arrow, click view publish site. There you go. You got all your pages. It's just a shell right now, but that's okay. We're going to add stuff through the objectives later. If you want to just share this link, click on that link, click copy link, and then to turn this in to get credit for objective 1, you go into Google Classroom under objective 1. Now when I make it there, you'll click add link. You'll paste the link to your home page, click add link. It'll be right there. And then mine says assign because I'm teacher. Student, it will say turn in. Make sure you click turn in. And then objective 1 is done. And then you'll move on to objective 2, which is the daily blog and portfolio page. So stay tuned, and that will be the next assignment, and I'll try to have a video for you as soon as possible.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.